You ever feel like NetSuite is working for you, but not exactly the way you want it to? Like it's a powerful engine, but you're stuck with the factory settings? What if you could take the wheel and drive it exactly where you need to go? What if you could automate tasks, enforce business rules, and streamline your processes without writing a single line of code? Well, you can. And today, we're going to dive into the heart of NetSuite's customization capabilities, the Workflow Manager. This isn't just about making small tweaks. It's about building intelligent, automated processes that save time, reduce errors, and ensure everyone on your team follows the same steps every single time. Think about the repetitive tasks you do every day. Maybe it's sending an approval email when an invoice hits a certain amount. Or perhaps you need to automatically update a field on a sales order when its status changes. These are the kinds of things that workflows were built for. They are NetSuite's way of empowering you to create your own unique business logic. So how do we do it? We're going to break it down into 3 simple steps: triggers, states, and actions. First, triggers. A workflow doesn't just start on its own. It needs a reason to begin. This is the trigger. It can be when a record is created, updated, or even when a specific field value changes. For example, our trigger could be when an invoice is created. Next, we have states. Think of these as the different stages a record can go through. Maybe an invoice starts in a pending approval state, then moves to approved, and finally to paid. You can create as many states as you need to map out your entire business process. Within each state, you define the rules and actions that should occur. And finally, we have actions. These are the tasks the workflow performs. This is where the magic happens. Actions can include sending an email, updating a field, creating a new record, or even displaying a custom message to the user. You can define actions that happen automatically on entry into a state, or only when a specific button is clicked. Let's put it all together with a quick example. Imagine you have a custom field on your sales order that indicates requires management approval. Our trigger would be when a sales order is created. Our workflow would then put the record into a pending approval state. In this state, an action would fire to send an email to the sales manager, alerting them to the new order. The manager can then either approve it, which moves the record to an approved state, or reject it, which sends it back to the salesperson and changes the field to rejected. No code, no headaches, just a smooth, automated process. This is just the tip of the iceberg. NetSuite workflows offer incredible power and flexibility, and the best part is that it's all visual and easy to configure. By understanding these core concepts, triggers, states, and actions, you can start building your own custom workflows to tackle any business challenge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.